These are our new magnetic latches. Come in a nice box, well protected. I've removed all the plastic covers just so that we can go through this a little bit quicker. Basically comes with a drive-in latch, but the head of the drive-in latch is actually interchangeable with a normal one. So whether you have drive-in or standard, it should work for both. It also has a striker plate for drive-in and for standard, both of which have got a back plate that can move left and right, which allows you to adjust it in the door so you don't get any rattle. The magnetic latch works very simply. As soon as it feels the magnet on the other side, it releases. These ones are also privacy, so you can lock them. And when the door is open, you cannot lock the door. So that's a very good safety feature that most privacies don't actually have.